Welcome back to the Bike and Boot channel. Today we're going to do a quick review on Hog Wash Liquid Performance Black Back. Black paint and plastic, revitalizer, enhancer, and protector. So we'll just do the fairing real quick. Okay, it says apply it with a sweeping motion or circular. Okay, it says it'll dry unassisted, but we're gonna try wiping it because that's said. You can also wipe it. Did a quick wipe. I gotta say, it looks really amazing. I probably missed some spots, but wow, that looks good. Even the windshield looks good. Let's try the fender. The fender looks a little, needs some help. See how that comes out. Gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with this stuff. It is like glass. It's an untreated surface. You know what? I'll do one side, not the other. Let's compare. I'm never impressed with this stuff, but wow, what a difference. So it's back in black, Hog Wash, Liquid Performance. If you like this video and like others like it, hit the like and subscribe, and take it easy. Looking sexy.